Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert the hex color value into RGB value on Excel. Sometimes people would like to convert the hex value into RGB color value on their Excel sheet. Microsoft Excel has the formula to convert the hex value into RGB color value. Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. In my Excel sheet, I have a color name, colors and the hex value. So I would like to convert the hex value into RGB value. So I have a 3 column, red, green and blue. Basically the hex value has the 6 character. The first 2 character is the red and the second and the middle 2 character as the green and the right side 2 character as the blue. So we have to use the formula hex to decimal. The red is the left side, then you have to choose the cell, so then you have to add the comma, then how many characters you have to convert. So we have to use the first 2 characters, so we have to add 2. Then close the bracket, then hit enter. That's it. So now the red color has been converted from the hex value. So second we have to use the green value. The similar formula we have to use, but we have to use the mid value. So we have to add the hex to decimal. Then here we have to add the mid value. So I have to add the mid, then open bracket. Here you have to choose the cell. Then we have to add the comma. This section we have to add the extra character as a starting number. The starting number as a third character. So we have to use the middle of the value. So this is starting from the third value. So we have to add 3, then add comma, then number of characters. Only 2 characters we have to add. So we have to add 2, then we have to close the bracket. Again we have to close the bracket because we are opening the 2 brackets. So hit tab, that's it. So now we have to add the blue color values. So the similar formula we have to use hex to decimal. Here we have to use a rect. Then you have to choose the cell, then you have to add the comma, the number of characters. Last 2 characters only we have to add, so we have to add 2. Then close the bracket, hit enter, that's it. So this is the RGB value of this color from the hexa value. So we have to select this and we have to double click here. So it will be converted into the entire row. This is the RGB value of this color based on the hexa value. So in this way you can easily to convert the hex value into RGB values. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.